taxes right from home and on the go. And a lot of virtual taxpayer businesses have the virtual apps, you guys, handy for when you're going any place, when you're on vacation and what you're traveling, you'll be able to do your taxes online. And that's what I offer with By Grace Tax Services LLC. If you're on the go of your business, you can do tax preparation with me on the go. Right from the comfort of your own home, upload documents, be able to see all the information, be able to see all the information from the IRS, be able to receive your tax forms directly to you by email with simply doing your taxes virtually. In this tax season, what I'm doing is explaining in more detail for those of you who are not familiar with it. I want you to get familiar with it because, like I said, with AI, with virtual reality, with a lot of people doing business online, that's why most businesses are leaning with doing things online, even if they got a physical location.